The thing is, like, when I'm casually calling Varun, I have developed, like, I have never called Varun unless I am eating lunch myself. Every time I have to casually call Varun, na, मैं अगर lunch खा रहा हूँ, that means I assume अभी तो उठ ही गया होगा. अभी तो उठ ही गया होगा.
What are you,
नहीं,
fucking Pavlov's dog?
नहीं.
Let me explain how Varun is on time. Okay, let me explain. So call time is 7 a.m. Okay, call time is 7 a.m. At 6:45 a.m. we will all start calling Varun.
No, पहले तो 2 दिन पहले there'll be protests. कि 7 a.m. का call time क्यों है? And which is from all of us, not just Varun.
Yeah,
हाँ,
fair,
exactly.
fair.
Fuck you.
Fair,
Don't blame
fair.
it on me. क्यों उठना 7 बजे अगर तू दोपहर का शॉट है तो?
So you will get to 7 o'clock at 7:02. No, we will all start saying, "Fuck, Varun उठा ही नहीं है, chance ही नहीं." You will call Varun. Varun's phone will be off, so you're sure that he's not.
Oh, bro,
And
ये
then
तो तू
at 7:10
मसाला
Wait, at 7:10 Varun will come in to the. He will come in on set. He will come on set. Bro, मेरा बैटरी खत्म हो गया. Bro, मेरा गला खराब है, मेरा पेट खराब है, मेरे को 5 मिनट सोने का. Please वैनिटी में सोने दे. That is Varun on time on set.
हो गया. आज मैं 7:30 बजे उठा. After 1.5 week of trying.
शाम को.
Morning.
By the way, you know how we thought we would fix our sleep cycle? We thought we'd just keep waking up later and later until you just wake up at 7:30.
Well done.
You know, honestly, what will fix the sleep cycle? It's such an easy hack, and that is working out, bro. That's it. Straight
I
up.
think that's
You
why
work
I
out.
managed to still.
That's why Adar is what he is,
Oh.
and
Or working.
you work or working. Yeah, then you're constantly working.
The out is not relevant in this case.
Yeah. They say 21 days, right? It takes to form a habit.
That's been
it's called the
proven wrong,
21-day myth.
Yeah,
Actually.
No,
Because-
but they say that, and people try and follow it.
Yeah.
I've seen it happen for me with most things, apart from when you have to work out,
Yeah.
or like, you know what I mean? Like
Yeah.
in your head, you think, 21 days. Like, uske baad, you need 1 day of just that laziness in the afternoon.
Straight up completely.
Because amazing response that you can create for yourself in a way that you will stop yourself from doing that activity very easily. Like, I have a million excuses to not go to the gym.
Yeah.
Ready at disposal, you know, to.
But you know the
So
thing is,
I never understood how that works.
thing
Like,
is-
you know how good it makes you feel,
Yeah.
and all the good points, and every time you worked out, you feel fucking amazing. But the other side, the forming of the bad habit of bunking gym is
Right.
just so much easier to
but
do.
the thing is, your mind always follows the path of least resistance. So
Yeah.
you are most likely to do the thing that costs you the least energy. So and anything that is worthwhile, unfortunately, is not like easy to do.
So I was talking to Veer about this. Veer's habit, and Kautuk, you probably know this. Veer's habit is as soon as he wakes up, he just vomits onto his page. He just types away for like an hour straight. He puts his writing time to that straight up.
I kind of agree. I've
and
As soon as he
started
wakes
more.
up,
And as soon as he wakes up.
No, I've been doing that. I've made sure that I don't look at my phone, and I write six punchlines or some shit like that. That's actually helped me with my Instagram, like the videos that I'm making. I don't sign into social media thing. I go to Evernote or I'll go to my laptop.
The most underrated thing that like very few people like, it's very counterintuitive, is that if you want to be more productive, you have to do less stuff.
Yeah.
Like, it's very, very counterintuitive, but it's the most effective thing. Like,
Yeah.
what people don't factor into their lives. Like, so what we've essentially done with our society is that we've created a cult of productivity, where if you're not productive, then you think that you're useless.
Right.
Which also kind of explains why people want to reduce their sleep time, because they think that sleep is useless. Like,
Yeah.
it's time spent not doing work. But the truth is that the time that you spend doing work is one thing, and the time you spend doing meaningful work is another thing.
Correct.
Like,
Absolutely.
The other thing that's very interesting, and you can see this most in sports people.
Hmm.
Okay, so the thing is, everyone is really good at working hard and doing the right thing when your back is against the wall, right?
Yeah.
When you're working upwards, everyone has motivation, everyone wants to prove
Yeah.
their point, wants to do well. The thing that distinguishes real great sports people from good sports people is
This
the
is
fact
going to
that
be a Ronaldo story, guys.
this is not a Ronaldo story. This is like
This guy-
any
Yeah.
No, but it's
any
so
good
bang
player.
on. What you
No, but
just
one
said is
second.
so
So,
bang on.
yeah, exactly. The thing that separates great players from the okay players or the good players is that they have this ability to get through the mundaneness of success, which is that you have to show up to practice despite the whole world telling you that you're really fucking good and you don't need it. That's the
Right.
fucking hard part.
Probably there's a huge chance that the guys who actually are there for deep cleaning the restaurant and the kitchen in the night, that's supposed to be the shift, they're running it on the sly so that they can make
एक
some
सेकंड
extra
बाबा
cash.
तू
I'm
cleaning
sure this
cleaning
is
बोला तू deep clean
To deep cleaning.
Guys, ये सब चेंज हो जाएगा. I think अभी कोविड के बाद I think
Yeah.
ये सारे अपने
no,
jokes.
most
Hey,
restaurants
but
do
you're saying
actually.
the staff that is cleaning decided to open the restaurant, change the timings on the Zomato Swiggy app, and
funny.
चुपके से चोरी ये लोग खाना बेच रहे हैं without
That's
the
funny.
owner knowing. This is what your
वो
instinct.
सोया है ओनर वरुण थोड़ी है 4 बजे जगह है.
Bro, also it's really unfair that at 4 in the morning a human being has to deliver you chai.
Very wrong.
Like
It's
has to
very wrong.
go from chayos and put in that fucking thing and then he has to come and he has to give it to you for 40 rupees. Like
No, the sad part is that even when the
No.
rider goes to Chayos, there is a guy at Chayos
yeah,
who has
bro.
in the morning has to say welcome to Chayos. कोलाबा में हूँ, मेरे दिमाग में रतन चाइनीज आ गया है, क्यों पता नहीं, दिमाग में आ गया है. Now I want the chicken chopper rice. That's it. So I don't want anything. मैं
Please
bike पे
explain
चढ़ा.
what the chicken is. It the triple Szechuan rice? Is it like that?
Chicken chopper rice is basically when you eat that rice, it cuts up your intestines from inside.
That's what it's. That's
So
the
that's why the chopper, they have blades in the food. So when you eat it, it cuts a big slide through your stomach.
True.
Then it cuts your lower
This is
intestine.
very true.
Then a little bit of your liver and your appendix. Finally, it comes out of your ass. And then your asshole gets slightly bigger. That's chicken chopper rice. उसके ऊपर अंडा and you put fried noodles, which is I like. They call it
Yeah.
time pass. They
Yeah.
call it time pass there. And I eat Chinese food to eat fried noodles.
Yeah.
It's ulta. It's not a ऊपर से
Yeah.
it's a seasoning. It's main course
Main
with,
course.
with seasoning of
Seasoning
whatever else.
chopper rice. Huh.
Bro,
So eat
मैंने
fried noodles with chopper rice, not chopper
मैंने
rice.
11 मिनट में इतना एक हंडी of chicken chopper rice I have finished. I can taste it right now. I can taste
Of
it
course.
as I'm saying it.
Because it's
And
not digested yet.
It's not.
Oh, dude, it's stuck to my body from the inside, I think. Right? I don't know what it was, bro. और मैं extra spicy ऊपर से जो शेजवान डाल रहा है ये वो. For a week after that, now I was fucked. Okay, that's the last time I ate there or at any place on the road. I became extra careful about eating outside also. But
Yeah.
bro, the happiness I got in those 11 minutes, only 11 minutes of happiness was unbelievable. And that only food can make you feel. From there, I've gone to another place. Now, I'm not going to take names of people or all of that. Gone to another place, met a certain person who was showing me around. Now, this guy, I had no idea, is a hardcore gambler. Okay. So he has told me, I told him my Vegas story about how I came plus from Vegas. He's like, Tera luck acha chal raha hai. I said, हाँ. He's like, chal mere saath. So he's taken me to the casino, taking me back to the high stakes table. उधर हम लोग बैठे हैं सामने ब्लैक जैक टेबल पे. Right? He said, तू मेरे बाजू में बैठ. Bro, this is him taking me. Why? Because he asked me, तेरा luck अच्छा चल रहा है. I said, हाँ. He said, तू चल मेरे साथ बैठ. I said, okay. And this guy has $10,000 का chips है उसके पास. We have sat there. We have sat there for 23 minutes exactly. It was 1:03 or 1:04 a.m. And we've left from there. We've gotten off the table at like 1:28, for example, right? How much money do you think this guy won? Take a wild guess.
He lost all of it.
He lost.
Baba lost all. Other?
I think he doubled the money because
Double. So $20,000. Kautuk?
I think he lost all also.
Lost all. He won $43,000.
Fuck.
And 43 मतलब you take 10 or $33,000. 10,000 का उसने chip खरीदा था. $33,000. I am sitting next to this guy. He is using me as luck.
देखो ऐसे $1,000
आप
दे दिया
तो
क्या
क्या
उसने?
भाई?
हाँ, he gave me. Yeah, he gave me $200 to play. He's like,
Hold up.